Tell you them to stay out of crime, brethren. You know worth it. And we waste a life and we waste a time, brother.
Big up yourself, Hold on.
Mr. Perry, big up. Come back somewhere.
Is now a free man. July the 31st, 24. Vybz Kartel is now a free person walking down Bourbon Street, brawling. You see me, I say, people, it's nothing ordinary right now. This is the most exciting news a person could ever hear in their life when they must serve life in prison. You understand? At no point in time, Vybz Kartel has ever shared towards the outcome of his trial in 2014 when he gets sentenced to life imprisonment and he will be eligible for parole until he serves at least 35 years behind bars. All of that throughout the court today. You understand? The people them happy, the people them glad, the people them really want to hear something like this. People them telling us, I'm excited. I'm not a Gaza fan, but if you're not happy for Vybz Kartel today, me I tell you, say you're so bad mind, you're so fucked up, you're so heartless, you're so cruel, and you can't do worse than that. You understand? The dog and him co-accused them of walk down Bourbon Street. All of the dog them must say them never. Me know him happy, he keeps them happy. You see me? And everything is going in this direction.
Can only begin after the prosecutor has met the burden of demonstrating justifiability.
Can I ask Mr. Buchanan, while you're addressing us on the Charter, as I understand it, the Charter is formally, is part of the Constitution. It was
the absence of the witnesses, the absence of the exhibit. Health of Mr. Palmer, the absence of the witnesses, the absence of the exhibits, the absence of our most significant witness, as well as when you put it all together, the length of time, the breach of the constitutional rights, all of it overwhelmed, and the delay was what caused it to be. The